Let's solve one previous question of combinatorics. This question was asked in GATE CS 2022, question number 22. The number of arrangements of 6 identical balls in 3 identical pin is dash. So we have 6 identical ball means 6 ball are similar and 3 identical bins. 3 bins are similar. These are the 3 bins 1, 2, 3 and we have 6 identical balls. So how we can arrange 6, 0, 0? If these 6 go to second bin or third bin, all are same as these 3 bins are identical. Then 5, 1, 0, 4, 2, 0, 4, 1, 1. Then 3, 3, 0, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are total 7 way we can arrange 6 identical ball in 3 identical bin. Okay. As these 3 bins are identical, in which bin you are putting 3 or 2 or 1, that doesn't matter. Answer will be 7. There are 7 arrangements possible. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.